kwina Honorable Rose Waruhio na Honorable Catherine Kimura na nero ingi Njenga gore tungirwo ati andu aya Njenga twambirio na ithui kumetha ni na mheshimiwa Maina wa Kamanda
Maina wa Kamanda twaugire koigwa mwere
he muthuri etagwo Kimani wa Rugendo
Kimani Rugendo
yokimoe na akiri muteti wa miaka mingi he muthuri the Jigaman kama wa Ndutu
tuire ko nake muthuri ucio
twacemani nake muthenya wa ira
muthuri ucio tuthiete tugathie nake nginya kundu gugwitwo London Kamau twathi nake akiheo ngerenwa nene muno
Kamau ekire uguo akindwara na tondu ni ndamuragia ngeira umaku Kamau unless no achita guku tutia kibutwaria tuli inoro muria ka wagatatu wa gukungwiro horo igi jigas Kamau athiuruki agikora mutumia uria waritwo ni Ndutu weka na ni ari na mbara Njenga ni uria ndonire ndacokire orosa-ine ya wira-ine ngikara
kumaka
ni ndieciragia uguo niguo Ndutu ihana riu kuguo ona the Jigaman ni ju ani andu tuguthie na mbere of course andu no marakiwa twitage ona maita maingi Mheshimiwa Governor Nderitu wa Mureithi hathithia by the way maretia mwalimu Kahiga tondu mwalimu Kahiga ari Gahendi wa cukuru wa muthingi akiambata ngathĩ-inĩ wa Nati ciama ici cia rutani akiuma kiama kia Nati agituika deputy governor na njoga ituika governor na riu ni athie tamu igiri
ndamuonete handu akiaria kauga nie ndingikira
oruga ati ni nyumba cia mohoro ndiragia mwalimu tiga igukihura ndikia mohoro thacio
au ndangikira he muthuri ungi nake twagirwo ni gucarania nake no Gamini kuria Malindi kuria Lamu tago Eliud Kinuthia no former chairperson wa National Police Service koguo nitukumacaria tuke twariririe ciigi ugiteri wa thainie na maundu maria magiru no ko muthuri wa kiama muthuri wa bata muno koguo no nake ri tugucarania nake
niguo tunyite ugeni CS na muthuri tagwo Councillor Kaurai Councillor Kaurai ari bona tatu na professor
tekatiriri oguo ni undu uria turaretwo ni atumia acio ndakuhe uhoro wao ri
tuthome ithagumia
tacokera ithagumia riria
ritu muthenya wa muthe ni Akorintho wa mbere 13:13 Akorintho wa mbere 13:13 niwe iroiga atia Njenga ni uhoro wa ma ati maundu maya matatu ni megutura witikio kirigiriro na wendani no uria munene makiria ni wendani jokere
isokera
Akorintho wa mbere 13:13 ni uhoro wa ma ati maundu maya matatu ni megutura witikio kirigiriro na wendani no uria munene makiria ni kiugo wendani
amen
Njenga muthiri twina mugeni akagwo tukiuga twina mugeni ri ne mugeni kwi hindi kwiragwo ni mugeni na mugeni na mugeni ndakeria kuruta uria haha agitagwo tondu hindi we gitwamwetaga tu MP ruko riu no nginyagia umwite uria kwagiriire twina CS muthuri uyu turamuonira muno kuria etagwo Joyfrey Kiringa Loko ni cabinet secretary Ministry of Public Service Huduma Capital Development and Special Programs kohana atia CS urio
noko
ndio tukwirega uri MP riu ndoka we CS
kabisa
na ndetagwo
Nderitu
asante sana
uru turamurika netagwo
kana na bendera
bururi wa Kenya
urata kuja kiuti kitambaa tuko na hau
hapana iyo ni bendera bururi wa Kenya
karibu sana CS
asante sana
andu aria marakwirora
mbere ni ngukethia andu onthe murima Kenya aria marambigwe na muno ngethia andu akuria Embu County na andu mambere North na njira ya mwanya
tukiambiriria tu okaururo kanini wonire atia tondu ukiro muteti tutanatonya hari maundu maria tugwetirio na public service lessons learned campaign yo weka kura Bere North niwe wari mubunge kuo riu kwina mubunge ungi na riu matura mothe ona ithurano ira warora uguo taruko kwi kindu urathomire uronire atia
ni onire atiriri kuri andu mevuraga kithuri muno guku na makaria maundu mengi ta konthe igerie kuthira na makauga atiri marathikiriria ground lakini uguo marathikiriria ground no thani ground is totally different no ria andu acio maturite makiuga ground gutiri ground mena yo matirathikiriria ground marathikiriria kira ke mature mao kuria ground andu Mount Kenya region mareciria uhoro wa kawa manjani iria barabara thitima mai ciana ciandikwe matireciria ati nie na nenekirwe nae to nenekirwe nae ni thino athirikari riu andu ao ntene yakwa ni ndie nao gutire bandu andu Mount Kenya mathiete andu Mount Kenya mai thino athirikari ya William Samoei Ruto na meterere thirikari ya William Samoei Ruto imekire maendeleo 2027 makaramuka kuga William Ruto kana guthi na mbere gati athi na mbere lakini kwina jamba cienge iturite guku ikivura kithuri ikiuga ni cio ate kingpin ikiuga ni cio angandi cendwe pure kabisa
tatwira terere
kethaki auga pure
tatwira terere hena andu ndari andu marauga terere woka tukuria kiuria giki either Nyeri kana Murang'a kana Kiambu president agioya mubunge uki kana munene na kugie na githurano takiu kirari mbereri no muhotani
karako tene tugacindana very early in the morning no cia atiriri kwina mundu na ninguga ringi ni mugwetarie twamwe kana mugwetarie tane ningumwikira vinya atena cio
tugaga kunera tu no kunera tu
atiriri William Samoei Ruto wira kumwona mbere no thire
ndimwire wa Embu
is numwikaru more than a year atakinyete Embu County president wetu so timu ira ikuo na ruko na timu yake marorania melo kwa melo Professor Kithure Kindiki na timu yetu Rigiji na timu yake so it says William Ruto wanataka uma State House woka mbere kana Embu gwajaria kura so Rigiji aire vori yetu tuye mimi na wale wengine Kithure Kindiki na mimi na Sisiri na wale wengine na huyu Rigiji na wale wengine those are our level sasa if Rigiji can be defeated by us what about when William Ruto moves from the State House and come to see people
president agushara Mount Kenya
no kete Mount Kenya
agacoka ri
anytime soon no kete kuraunji barabara nyingi muno sana in every county the wa Mount Kenya region kwena barabara ile kwa procurement at the moment na hiyo procurement ya dhira ile this month from January rais wa Kenya na ukorwa agithie different counties akiraunja barabara but what I'm trying urani agirikuwa ni atrije William Ruto ndana uma State House kuthie kuvoya kura wanari muthenya umwe na nindirikana Rigathi Gachagua ekuria mbere akira William Ruto wetia gutuma aruti yaku wira wacha kutuma wafanyikazi wako ya kazi kuja hapa wewe mwenyewe tukunyoroshe hapa mbele lakini afanyikazi yacio awetaga neo maranyoroshire mundu gwetwa Rigathi Gachagua na timu yake so amane andu matena agenda matena muvango mataici ciaci kagwata matena touch na andu marenda na maturite mavurite kerere kila kona andu mageci enta kwati Mount Kenya thie lakini kwi kindu gitagwa the silent majority acio kwa na makirite ne wengi ara maranegena ni anini muno na Rigathi Gachagua na ningwenda kwira andu Mount Kenya wothe wa bandu maruma a Kiambu a Nyeri a Meru a Laikipia a Nakuru everywhere mundu gwetwa Rigathi Gachagua ndena muscle has no bone to face William Samoei Ruto na ndakamuvenie mume thiini wa thirikari atimuthite kora thie
thiini wa mithiururukire no yothe rathiururuka gikuku thiini wa bururi na muno makiria kirima giki twita kirima kuroneka ta gugucoka nyingi ni undu wa aya makauga o murengo ukauga o aria na makauga o ukoneka ta kirima giki gikwa hukamia ho itatu Mount Kenya East, Mount Kenya West, na Kiambu ni wewe rauga ati nao marenda gukoma mari andu kiumbe matienda gukoma marenda me region gugwikata tucokie the strength and unity no ide tene tuigaga ati hi icio ni cianithi ciaingira ni uguo tugwikata tucokie urumwe wa Mount Kenya
no tucokirie urumwe wa Mount Kenya ugakorwa andu agiku ni magutigana kuthikiriria Rigathi wa Gachagua lakini ugakorwa agiku ni maguthina mbere kuthikiriria Rigathi wa Gachagua urumwe wa Mount Kenya wangegia uthire gitumi turi Mount Kenya turi mbere turi Embu turi Tharaka Nithi turi Chuka turi Meru turi Tigania turi Igembe turi Imenti tuonthe turi Mount Kenya kwa votekeka atia indiria umwaci yetu Mutharaka akoroneka namba 2 thini wa bururi wa Kenya thirikari ne yacoka tuye tutulite supportete agiku na Jomo Kenyatta senior Uhuru Kenyatta Mwai Kibaki deputy president Mwai Kibaki president Uhuru wa Kenyatta atirutuye umwaci yetu abaunja ugwetwo Mutharaka no shagiti ke deputy president Rudrika ne ajoka sora tu medino adrikari Rudrika ndo kama damba tocho kava kirima kuge yatokana na tu ikale dhino adrikari yes
ha gutwika
na nini ngokera mundu wetwa etagwa ndrito jenga ne ugera dirire Meru yonde Tharaka Nithi yonde Embu kaunti yonde wanagwata party ya Kirinyaga tutingitera ku mathini wa thirikari na ne turamuonirie uguo tariki 27 mweri muthiru
bathe icio takura cigana tono watara
milioni ire Kalonzo Musyoka atulite thini wa thirikari na kitigine ne kwa korwa na kura cigana
koguo
Mudavadi na Wetangula me thini wa thirikari ko mareta kura cigana icio milioni ire ni beganu cietu cia kutukora tu thini wa thirikari gatagati na tugae inyamu nene cia andu etu nigetha gwetu kwina wabra kwina thitima kwina kithomo kiega kwina indo cionthe iria ithondagwo ni thirikari ikoro isasaba lakini uvoro wa mundu umwe wetagwa Rigathi wa Gachagua mundu mukoroku mundu aremwe kuruta wira mundu team player taru is the biggest disaster thini wa nyamwe gwetwa disjointed opposition araramukire athivale Nairobi auga ite cionthe cia Nairobi county ni ciake na nimegarire thina Kalonzo Musyoka ogera kuga teguo riuli mundu waragio thani mwe tweta tongoria no ngia tukoro turi andu wa integrity andu makwaria uma Rigathi Gachagua akithivale mbere akiuga ati aramukire kunywa chai kwa soso wa Ruku
ngwenda ukuria we mweno nake
ndia nona soso wakwa I have never
uso ndali soso wanyu
ni ndire baba ndire mami I am second last born in our family ya ciana 12 my mom died akwire 2021 at the age of 90 kindu niye ngiciarwa ndia na ciarwa ngirwa oneke soso wa baba aina ndia na mwetha na ruga Gachagua no gukira na kivenia Kenya ni ndushaga mwathi kwa soso wa Ruku really how is this
tamakite muno ati we Nairobi ageni maranywa ndubi ya kwani
turenda atiriri turenda
atware studio kiro tukwa kukwenda ageni ukiri studio hado ukanyitia ageni
ukiri studio ndoratiga tothi utinginya mugate
Kwĩ mũthenya tũrĩ gwĩtĩra ndeto icio.
So nĩ gĩkũne atĩrĩrĩ. Wakorwo kwĩna mũndũ wĩse kũvenania na kũvenania, you know, gũtekũvugia kwa ritho etagwo Rigathi Gachagua. Na niĩ auria andũ a Mount Kenya region, tafadhali please, thirikari ya Kenya na rais wa Kenya ena ngoro mbega mũno sana ya gwĩka maũndũ marĩa magĩrĩrĩte thĩinĩ wa Mount Kenya region. Na ngĩroria inyamu iria nengerete kwambĩrĩria appointment cia ma-minister marĩa me thĩinĩ wa thirikari no makuma Mount Kenya region nĩ moengi gũkĩra any other part of this country. PSs nĩyo engi, CEOs thũkathi gũtara nĩyo engi, chairman mama parastato nĩyo engi. Project iria irekwa kwa sasa thĩinĩ wa Mount Kenya region, mabarabara, mathoko marĩa marakwa tarĩu thĩinĩ wa Kiambu county only kũrakwa makĩria thoko 60 in one county nĩ thirikari ĩno. Maũndũ macio mothe thirikari ireka thĩinĩ wa Mount Kenya region nĩ ĩkorwo ĩgĩka nama William Ruto menete.
Okay, thank you. Tũgwĩtĩte tũkwendaga kwamba kũigua tondũ kĩro mũteti. Rĩu rĩ, teke tũtonye wĩra ũyũ waku ministry ĩno yaku ya Ministry of Public Service Human Capital. By the way, unaitaga gwetagwo njenga twerwo atĩrĩrĩ atĩ tũrĩetha debate atĩ Rũkũ na mũthuri Rigathi atĩ tũgĩa na debate.
Hoine kamwe
ndio kana yo nĩ debate ũngĩtĩkĩra
ya Rũkũ na Rigathi no ambĩtĩkĩra.
Okay.
Yo no ambĩtĩkĩra.
Yo ngũciria kũbanga.
Yo no ambĩtĩkĩra. Rigathi Gachagua nĩ mwĩkaru thĩ nake maita matatu tũrĩa ĩrĩ deputy president.
Kwĩta kwenda ndaraca. Kwĩ watu wakũkĩte
kwĩ na mũtwarĩte ndaraca. Niĩ tũrekaru thĩ nake maita matatu tũrĩa ĩrĩ ngamwĩra Rigathi Gachagua tiga gwĩkona. Warika gwĩkau mama nĩ mabitia. Wanathoma katiba ya Kenya ĩrauga wĩra waku ta deputy president ũyũ tigana na kuthreaten mundu gwetwa rais wa Kenya.
Okay.
Mundu uyu ndumwishe wega we. Gutiri ndu atone thĩinĩ wa siasa. Tiga wora tuikire mumbunge miaka 5. Ngai yakurathima watuika deputy president. Tituinu na chino iriku.
Okay. No twathondeka gĩathĩ nĩkuhia. Rĩu rĩ twagweta tondu minister yaku ya public service nĩ tũkuonete kũndũ ugakora nginya kũndũ rahingĩrĩria auti aku wĩra thirikari na gwatuĩka atĩ thĩna wa public service ni old mentality ya mũndũ ũgoka agacuria either no kũhakwo kana hihi mamwĩtaga njigua atĩ inyuĩ mamwĩraga mũrĩ kĩndũ tu gĩa kũhĩtũka they are bureaucrats mukandĩkwo mũthĩ tuone atĩ kaĩ tuonete arũ kwa igana.
In fact kĩũria kĩrĩa kĩnene ona tũkĩharĩria show ĩno nĩngia okũria kuga tuonete thirikari cigana nduaya gaka nĩ gatu
ukoroga ũtũhingĩrĩria wabici ya
tuonete ni challenges iriko wakora rĩrĩ waheo wĩra rĩ nĩ maũndũ marĩkũ wakora tondũ nĩ ngũririkana waingĩrire no kiuga ũgũkorwo ũgĩthiĩ wabici ciothe wabici nyingĩ cia thirikari ũngĩthiĩ huduma ũrĩa nje kuonana nayo kũu thaa 4 ĩrorete 4:30 na mũrĩkanie nayo by thaa 6 wakairie andũ mambĩte kũguthũka ranji wahĩtũkwo nĩ thaa icio wĩrwo kuja kesho nĩ challenges irĩkũ ũkorete rĩrĩa wanengerwo wĩra ũyũ.
Rĩu rĩ thĩinĩ wa public service mbere wa mũndũ wothe ũrĩvagwo mbeca nĩ thirikari ya Kenya nĩ public servant. Kwambĩrĩria rais wa Kenya, kuthie njeshi ya Kenya, borithi, arimũ, madaktari othe thĩinĩ wa county government cionthe aciothe nĩ public servant. Na twĩna challenges nyingĩ mũno sana thĩinĩ wa public service. Mbere nĩ kĩndũ gĩetagwo kiuga gweta na kiumanĩte na entitlement. Gũkorwo rĩu nwandĩkwa nĩ thirikari nĩ wekara mĩaka 5 na no ici procedure cia kũvutwa nĩ nyũmũ mũno. Koguo no karita wakinya miaka 60 wena miaka 35 so ukina korwo very entitled netawe koe waku mucii so kwina challenge ya muthemba ucio through Kenya School of Government ni turathomithia aruti onthe ya wira ma thirikari batches by batches kino gitagwa customer service tondo either niko ya researcher kana we urutaira thĩinĩ wa Huduma Center kana we ndio kana we muthigari kana we daktari you are serving the people of Kenya at your capacity. Ende andu maka kuona ofisiri yaku maukite no getha o mathingirie undu fulani uri ovingagwe ni thirikari. Koguo no agirwo kumanyita uria company no ciengi cia private companies uria nyitaga customers yao corporate. So kwina program yevo thiini wa Kenya School of Government ya kuthomithia aruti a wira thirikari kindu twetaga customer service excellence na gutiri mundu wonde urutaga wira thiini wa Huduma Center kwa sasa thiini wa Kenya utathomete that course through Kenya School of Service Government, lakini kwina andu wengi muno sana thiini wa ministries and other government institution matathiete through that training. So this is a progressive training nigetha turute that kasumba ka entitlement that wananaoka anana kwaria ngwenda kwariria anana wetia tondu no kuthii no police station kero angaria borithi na maguta ikira maguta mega nona kero aringi gutina full scope ya kwandika kero ruwe ura twirite ni kurendeka na bundles cia thimu ru ikira bundles cia thimu, you know, all manner of so including the police service kuthomithia athigari yonthe kindu gitwa customer service excellence nigetha police stations yetu cionthe ikorwo ni centers of excellence wherever they are atina turatungatira mwingo wa Kenya na njira mbaya. So there is that problem ikoretwo evo thiini wa public service na kwina problem nyingi twayo peke yake. Ende onete ngithie kona ngurani thiini wa bururi wa Kenya anataru this week and next week we vandu ngaramuka tene manual kana ya mweta wa human resource procedures and manual 2016 kurire yugite twagirwo korwo twi ofisi mathaa mega nona tukiuma mathaa mega nona na kuria makorwo makiuga atiri twanginya iyo korwo ofisi na getha urute wera you can work remotely. Yes, true, you can work remotely, lakini kwa sasa kwina services itangevesha no remotely wakone kuthigosha kibandi ndungevesha na kibandi gwaku nyomba passport ndungevesha na gwaku nyomba abstract ya bolithi ndungevesha na gwaku nyomba. Kwina services cia thirikari twetaga customer facing services iria cionwangagia wikare vau na Mukenya aikwira urenda arenda ate na ukimuthingiria. So first attitude ya kuruta wira ugakorwo urare mwakora mukakuthie ofisiri mathamira magirite it says attitude yaku number 1 tuanze wirora wanengerwe tesa sawa because no avero contract no gishaina na no avire interview no kiuga you are qualified kuruta wira rikwe uyu lakini wanengero kuruta wira ucio ukiriga rukuthie mucerere na no awugire no ashaini ukaija thashika nona human resource procedures and manual of 2016 kuria yugite na no erirwo ria yugite katiba yetu ya Kenya article 232 ya Regulatory Public Service, the principles and values of public service kuria yugite maundu macio mothe timelines mevau lakini ndore kaguo na no athomithirwo maundu macio mothe mbere usainite ndu contract no atwarirwe nyamweta wa induction no kirivirwa no gitwaro vandu mukawari no kithomithio maundu macio but after 1 year ukora riu urathie mathaa maria ukwenda wena justification cionthe ciaku munthe ndiregwega no rwarire. So kwina challenge ya muthemba ucio but at the same time twina aruti a wira ma thirikari who are very hardworking. Truth be told, taru ongiri thiini wa judiciary kwina very hardworking people. Teacher Service Commission kukuonde ndiete impromptu ndieshaga ngethera aruti a wira ma Teacher Service Commission onde ne akinyu mbere ya thaigiri na ndikorete mbugite ningathi
Teacher Service Commission
Teacher Service Commission tondu na regional offices in every region. Immigration kukuonde ndiete bethagira aruti ma immigration State Department of Immigration onde maria kinyu mbere ya thaire na kukuo ndiete mbithagira arutia ma Ministry of Education gutari anari mukinyu. I want you to understand. Teacher Service Commission deals with teachers and education matters. Ministry of Education, the ministry gutiri wanari umwe
okinyete
gutiri sijui sub-county education, whatever, all these.
Look for a region.
Yeah, in the region. Gutiri. And many others. So they are government officers who work very hard. Also, policemen work very hard. Tondu gutiri kona na thie ngethera atiriri morango ri gutina thigari. Within the building athigari matiko. Gutiri police station wana thie muthenya kana utuko thaa 4 kana thaa 9 ukithii ukithera either ni muthigari umwe atachiwe ngebutire nowhere in the Republic of Kenya. So policemen work very hard under very difficult circumstances. Alimu na thiire kundu gwetagwa Elmoro Bay, Marsabit, Rongeani, kundu remote muno sana, kundu cukuru swambetwe ni manje ne Turkana. Na ukithii ukithira alimu na cukuru, teachers are there
with all the difficulties.
With all the difficulties. So kwina arutia wira mathirikari aria marutaga wira na PD muno sana, alimu they work very hard, borithi iruta wira na PD muno sana, andu wengi maruta wira na PD ni madaktari, nurses. Ungithie cibitari cionte wanatukiuga cibitari ina challenges no ingi you go and you find nurses are there, clinical officers are there, doctors are there. So wanatuki condemaga aria matararuta wira wega. Also nwangegia to appreciate na tuge kwina arutia wira mathirikari ya Kenya maturiete mekirite PD zaidi na turamopongeza muno sana na turamashokiria ngatho tathirikari. But mbali nogo nirathondeka ministry nirathondeka an application iriayo will be discussing it in our cabinet in a few days from now ya kuhakikisha mamamo ntene mekirwa thiini wa a platform an application mauka imucerere uria urarutana na PD uria thiini wa training uria warega kuga kuria ari agitimia mushara wake. The same application can nwai kwire mundu ucio ai akonuire no thiire field Baringo kundu weta ni kuari kati kuo to no agwe no athie field ukana thie Machakos kuria nyama na no rauga we
kwera ugukira kirorekana ni ritho ka
eka ni application ugikora vathi muri tu
na no kijo korwo
no ni thinwa ni application thinwa thimo ukenauga nathie field kundu gwetwa Kanjiando, I don't know which sub county na ningroneku ngeka ona I don't know, let's say you are Ministry of Agriculture ukoro kwena mulimo fulani uranda kumenyekana kana igwa ng'ombe na mburi na ng'ondu ngiete kuroria field work ya mulimo fulani nya ukoro wirwa kura mukaga ukithibara gitengera kuria nyama ukira nyama muthenya mugima ugicoka ringi ukithii gitengera ndukathie kuria ng'ombe iri, we will be able to tell whether you are doing the right
matiko kwithia platform yo
eka ni kore thondeketwo na njira sasa te platform unge muthenya
kaige uthia ukaigua kiugo kikagio uguo recklessly. I'm permanent and pensionable.
Yes.
Oigwa mundu akwira I'm permanent and pensionable. Ukamenya ucio ati gundu ngimwika ndungimwenyenyia
uga PNP.
Lu eno application to nayo no ma you are permanent and pensionable, that's okay, lakini ne application ya igatinagia mushara wakorwa no athie tundu atiri kwina rutia wira mundu sikrif au masikirif akithie training Naivasha ama training Naivasha akithie inge Mombasa ama Mombasa akithie trip undo gwetwa New Delhi angadise something ama New Delhi agioka guko agiosha leave inge ya 10 days ama ku akithie training Addis Ababa ama Addis Ababa akithie training Sami. Someone is permanently on the move. Training after training, leave, siji what. Assure the to cover the command what's happening. Because first and foremost, wande kiruke urutira ndo Kenya wira. Na ndo na mwingo wa Kenya ndwena thina nene. Kenyans maenda kumenya atiriri thirikari no yao mathurire nera marumbugia. Full stop. You know, when you are given uveto wira wa kova mundu tonaga irio na mundu ju tonaga areciria no rijaga irio ciake wagura ni gwikate nigetha amenya na mana mundu ndarari irio ciake
ndai na maitho
na metho
ni wikara ukimuheaga irio icio
eka wagura wikara ukiugia mururi Tondu atiriri
niguo igwe ndwi na kindu kadua
ndunguye mururi ukirecaga
ate ndokihuha mwaki na maikatu.
You see? Yeah. So Kenyans marenda atiriri kumenya twituma tunengerete wira tumarutire kana turamarutire rojua muthenya. So no nginya twikare tukimeraga na makionaga ciiko cietu na mana na PD yetu that ne turamarutira wira ora matwiri tukete tukarute tondu nyine Minister of Public Service ino office ni nayo te akwa ne a Kenya onte ne
so public service
ne everybody wana minister ora inge wa health office yo ne ando wa Kenya rais wa Kenya ni rais lakini office yake ne ando wa Kenya ndio mamwiri ekale yes so nwangia yetu tuveto mama kwambiriria chavuchivu tuthiete all the way kwambiria the field officer ora ivaria sub county twambatite all the way to the region to the county whatever twikare tukimeraga atiriri turarumbuia ndeto cienyu na muthembo uyu mundu te arevwa mbeca iria atagwa no kurevwa mundu aikanae agiocerwa tu eno because we are supposed to serve Kenya and Kenyans utiro ndinge marenda kumenya atiriri ne turamatungatara kwagiririte full stop.
Tatutatire hena kaurudona harandikwa a fresh approach timeless impact no gucoka ikira hari horo igi Huduma Center na jagati na makiugo horo igi Huduma Smart serikarini model niki kiu
uri na tuika Minister wa Public Service inesirie twagirwo korwo twina approach ngurani thini wa uruti wa wira wa mwingi thini wa gutungatira mwingi wa Kenya na twina 59 Huduma Centers thini wa bururi wa Kenya 59 Huduma Centers tembegani wa every sub county ni agero korena Huduma Center twina makiria ya magana mathatu over 300 sub counties ndio overall constituencies no kwithira kwina constituency na sub county thano kana igire so twina constituency na sub counties nyingi muno every sub county thini wa bururi wa Kenya ideally yagiro korena Huduma Center ndiure nitwikate nigetha sub counties no ikoroina services ya huduma kuna ngiye tuchukume Huduma Centers ivote gutwara these services thini wa mashinani kugutena Huduma Centers at the moment tumashukume mavote kuthie mashinani mafesha na ivande mafesha na birth certificate registration ya company KRA mauduma NTSA mauduma chumo ndema na mafesha na wathini wa Huduma Centers bono ona okirangiuga atire nwangia to gotona kinotoreta Huduma Smart serikalini tondu na tema maundu macio peke yake tema maundu mara mavesha na wathini wa Huduma Center peke yake but tuvote ku breathe fresh start fresh ndenda kuga fresh breath but fresh start ya uria thirikari rutaga wira kana kuria twikiruta wira thiine wa sector cionde cia gutungatira mwingi tondu ingi wira wakwa ta minister ni public service either we madaktari ri kana agriculture kana ni maundu ma gutungatira mwingi twituvetwo irosio tuvote gukora twina new approach fresh approach nigetha korwo kwina impact iria yo gutura
handu maroria tirire CS na Njenga kiuria giturio no umwe witu tondu ino ni njui no akimenya waguka ukire university CS aroria tirire kiuria kihaha very interesting ati CS Ruku ati niki kigiragia mwaria wa thirikari atwire mibango ya thirikari agatuma tuikare tugiciragia gutire wira urarutwo ayatwo Sir Nixon Ndugere kuma Kindaruma iri gwa ugate maundu mana watariria no kwina mundu wina wabici thina wa thekani ukuhitia ugate mundu kenda riri hena maundu macio tondu tiga nundu twagwita ri Njengari tiga nundu ta CS ka tugeta muthoni twamwitite kuria ri ukaga ati njira ka mutaratara ati andu othe ni mamenyaga uguo ri gwe oroiga tiga ati ni twagita Ruku ni urona hauta mukwetwa hena igesha ati wakone bara ni irakwo kana wakota pending bill kana hiyo na mitaratara ya thirikari ri gukaga njira CS Ruku theru ya gutwira ati u niguo maundu ma thirikari mahana
vau waweta iri ni maundu varito na to ni sendi mwana siasa ni minister wa thirikari
no kile immediate former politician
ndu wale mubu tongate oneka kubotheri CS Ruku ri ari MP Njenga wa Mbeere North igutire kamutaratara karia either ni Rukuraria kana ni ati wabici ya mubunge wa Mbeere North u niguo ikaga Njenga basari ni muthenya mona kwatuika igecarira inene thina wa thirikari ino ota ya Uhuru ni horo wiki ndeto gutherera andu
no mavandu tambali okweli uvandu vuvena kathina kevo vuvena ka problem na ni problem yetu kuthondeka ta thirikari ni tukuthondeka nigetha maundu ma thirikari monthe makorwo makiarua no theru na andu mwingi wa Kenya ukimenya wa muthenya thirikari iratungata na muthembo gitumi ni kindu kia bata muno sana twana kwira murata wakwa that tuitu thina thirikari ni tutuvetwe na vaci na nwangi twikare tukiuagia mururi nigetha mundu utarona na ndirauga ati andu a Kenya matirona bana ningerekano na vesha na tondu turi andu a Mount Kenya ni twaragia na ndimo ni twaragia na you know nigetha ugoro hote gutonya ndi uvote gukinya ndi wega so nwangi twikare tukiuagia mururi nigetha mundu utarona avote kumenya utigare irio ciake vauva kuya mururi nigetha a Kenya mamenye uria thirikari raruta wira vau twina tuyagwinde kidogo
no mera gatwa tukuria kiuria kiu Njenga tugikora ri wanyu andu makiuga atiriri ni sirikari ati thirikari ni thirikari Ruku ati thirikari ni thiri ni mundu marauria atiriri na ni igoti ritu ritwiru farafara ni rako turonia president ri akihura akauga atire ndathie kuruguria Mau Summit no kwina wabici iria iratumira mbeca ota icio Ruku kana federal teo Njenga ugatuikate ona andu aria na inywe mwe nao a thirikari iria riu mari rungu rwaku ni marehwo mbeca Njenga no tiga tugwitire ri gutiro ndu mutuonaga makiuga ati u niguo thirikari Njenga ereka either niguo andu mamuruta mahetia kana mamu support
ni mavandu vena thina na ningwitikira na ni tukugeria njuu chini tugere kibisha ta thirikari na vugure gwe tukiaria uro wa sirikari tigane siri ya thirikari kuruningia uga bana kidingiuga
okay no hindi weke ndo kauga
eka dingi wanoka beta dingi ya kuga
no wa debate kwena thina
vuvena ka problem thina nene muno sana ni thina twina kuthonde kwa kidogo maundu makana kwa mesa sawa
okay
gitumino isi atiriri ni ndathire ngenywa muma na mumo shumwe na guri ati ndikauga maundu maria menyete thini wa gutungata ta minister mamwe ndikakorwa ngiguo ovyo na ndikwenda gwikara ta Rigathi wa Gachagua
Jagarugo tena tukirie tukumuhithio kigo kimwe non performance no wathie no akora andu tiga tu urukukuma makia no wathie no wahinga mirango matigukite tha igiri so consequences ito no waingira itugo no akora andu matiro wabici na wahingiriria utatu ithiragira hau hari horo igi application yona ndona ta Njenga tege kweri njega ya kugatiriri kwina mwarimu maturaga ahitukithagia ciana no te arabatara na kuhakana niguo ambati ungathi application ino ri ni rihanaga appraisal
yes
niguo Njenga gucio nuko tucokeria twacokeria appraisal wakonta judiciary magistrate mena kwena atu macira wega arituika ate aikondo mundu atinya kurega yes tukondo theria maundu
macio andu angi tumira SMS ni andu megwitwo thigari makauga please ira mweshimiwa arore muno uhoro wa transfers ati urakora muhe muthigari wikarite kuria kwega wakora muthigari ucio arahea no kanyamu niguo ikare ku wakora mundu aingirire ena miaka 10 na kindu aikarite o ceceni imwe ona ceceni kana tare yao uginake agaikio hardship areas and I think it's a rotation of about 3 years
danathi kungania mahiaki
aigio hardship areas wakora nake ona ngihariria ni undu umuthiri he umwe nderirwo wina guku Turukana handu na ku ucio na imwe kwetagwo Kimani I think he's a OCPD ucio na ni agurire ng'ombe agurire mugunda na ruo na arithagia ng'ombe ona ndenda ukana cokia nago
urajeka kaundu kake niguo tucoke tugikare tukurania atiriri he statement gucia turaiguire president akiuga horo igi nyumba 10 tau ne njemanagia nao kuria ukoraga andu acio Njengari matirehagwo kanyamo athuria a nyumba 10 ri kana aya ciburi me kanyamo mareheagwo na namba igiri ni riri Njenga uhoro igi retire uruko mundu akuhiriria ringi guthie retire ri ndabati gukipost kuria kenda ku retire ndio kana kifeshi ku primary handu ha akorwo ari thikari hihi niri mundu ucio abati kuga ndenda ku retire ndatigaria miaka 3 ni ndoro kifeshi kwi iri njira kujira te ndikuiruka ndiraruka
ni tucokereria no drone na former councillors ni maroria pension yao kana no murathi na be na kurora oro cukugu ciuria ni nyingi muno rucini ro muthi asanti sana nyothe murathi na be na gutwandikira igire inya neo namba itu ya SMS 22488 neo namba itu ya SMS tukoro tukiaraniria CS rukwe guku uria ciuria ciaku nikio gitagwo kimuri tuikirie soke kaida tariko nene.
The moment you've all been waiting for. Welcome to a world of endless kids entertainment on Viusasa.
We'll arrange a new secret meeting. Now I understand everything.
Pretty awesome, right?
That is so cool, man.
And it's lots of fun.
This is the ultimate destination for your kids' learning, fun, and enjoyment.
The greatest meal ever is ready for oven time.
That's right. Let your kids enjoy unlimited entertainment only on viusasa.com.
Muriega, njĩtagwo Peter Gichuki, Chairman Top Carers Kenya. Nĩ aikari aingĩ a gũkũ Juja magũrĩte mĩgũnda na Top Care. Ũndũ ũyũ ũkinyanĩire nĩ ũndũ wa kwĩhokeka mũno na kũheana taitũ na ihenya. Mabarabara gũkũ Juja nĩ hĩndĩ marekĩrwo rami. Twĩna mũgũnda tũrakwenderia 595,000 na kuo Joska Kagudo Road tũgakwenderia 395,000.
Tucerera Ruiru Town, Greek Towers, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ o rĩu 0708 000 999.
Top Care nĩ mũciĩ waku mwehokeku wa ũigithia.
This festive season, discover a city that never stops shining. Dubai, where every skyline tells a story and every evening feels alive with possibility. Because the true sparkle of the season isn't the city lights, it's the joy of discovering them together. From just $1,740 per person sharing, enjoy 5 unforgettable nights, rooftop dinners, desert safaris, shopping adventures, and memories that linger long after the journey ends. This December, celebrate connection, gratitude, and joy. View Travel, moments that matter, memories that last.
Ewama Properties Limited. Thutha wa kwendia mugunda wa Ibirikani Phase 1, Phase 2 na Phase 3 Kajiado County na tukaheana title na nikio riu tukureheire Ibirikani Phase 4 na Phase 5 na riu twina December special offer ukegwatira broti ya 50 by 100 na shiringi 175 tu wariha cash. Ririkana December special offer turakuhe kuri migunda itu yothe ta Joska, Gilgil, Naivasha, Matu, Embu, Sagana na Makoyo Manaja. Tuhurire thimo 0720769999 kanoshere wa ofisi shito Kiambu Town ugithii na Duberi. Ewama Properties Limited na kesiyo witu akauga
muthigi witu ni kwihokeka.
Fine Tune School of Music. Jorua shorutani wa kothi cia wini ta gukunya guitar, piano, violin, saxophone, drumming, DJing, dancing, voice coaching, music production, video production, photography, sound engineering na computer packages. Riu ni turakuhe mweke wa kwigwatira kothi ici na thogora mufashirire. Twina day na evening classes. We nawe mwini tugakurecord audio na video ya gikiro kia iguru na thogora wa muhuko waku. We nawe muciari riu thukuru ihige he mwana waku onake egwatire kothi ici. Uhoro makiria tuhurire thimu 0799001825 kana tusherere mwena wa Kiambu Town ugithie Duberi. Fine Tune School of Music, we are more than just music.
Atege keno tagike mwakionire kuraine mwega na tumba tukione ndiguku mwena wa Matu twita Imara land ino itagwo Shinas Gardens Phase 9 daika 10 kuma Matu Town ukathiga kuonia hakwa onani ni ndigwateire uka bikoni yakwa kiri wendo geti ni wendo rogiri ni kuirige aikarire meguku thitimari cirio guku mairi mario guku onawe wenda kwigwatira ri ni ciringi 200 ma 35 tucemanie guku Jumamothi uria na kwa Joska ri twina Sunrise Gardens Joska ukona kwigwatire tuhurire namba itu ni 0717444333 Imara land, shamba kwa wote, title kwa wote.
Gatho nyingi muno ni guthina mbere na guikarania na ithuĩ CS twina 147 SMSs cia andu aria maratwirorera rucini o mugo gwenda kuhutia cigana ona ketwambe tuingire horo wa kindu gigwitwo pension tondu nikio ndrona andu makiuria former councillors, when will they be paid their pension, which was passed during President Kibaki's time. Ucio genake akauria, please ask CS Roko what happened to our pension teachers, especially those who retired in 2024. Please, we are suffering. Please ask him when will government retrenchees of the year 2000 be paid their money passed by court. Ndwega and anatwirora kuma kodu gwitwo Embu. Pension ni rolio muno. Muno.
Ona jagata kenyonge ona hai na mundu watwandikira Alex Kumanya huru ugate kaidira assist to CS ya retired civil servants, pensioners. Ati no they are suffering mena mathina maingi muno riu mundu augate ati namba yake ni ta APN/PC 36453 mzee Joseph Keiru ena miaka jenga miaka 92 is getting 7,000 on monthly basis. You know, akageria kugate kwina andu maritaire tene CS no matire maheo pension yao. You can imagine maundu ogo jenga arakiuga tadress your pension.
Liure wakora kwena mundu waritaire na kirita kumana thirikari na ndagwataga pension yake. Machine mavetia mengi muno sana on our side. as government tondu gutiri mundu muthiriu kulita mureki wira wa thirikari aikinya miaka iragirwo gukinyia 60 wakorwo ni mundu living with disability airo kulita the age of 65 na ikorwa ndanengagirwa pension yake either ni mwalimu kana thiini wa ministry ko kana thiini wa muthemba gani koguo machini maundu magirwo ni gutuika handled very quickly na ngagwata list yaria maikorwo mata nengeretwo pension yao ni ngurumiriria na Director General wa Pensions uria ke under the Ministry of Treasury but we work very closely because nenta Minister of Public Service nembagirwo kuhakikisha wa mundu wonto anaruta wira thiini wa thirikari no wagirwo ni gukorwa akirivwa pension yake koguo nyini na jukumu ya kurumiriria na DG wa pension na narikia na umava nengo muvurira thimu nimwire kwina mararamiko mengi muno sana ma Kenya maritaite maraugatia alive pensions yao
ona toyeke tukuongerera kangi njega retrenchees civil service ya 1988 to 2000 maroria njega marihi mao na mamagire ko noyeka kurora ni
wana mashimo theni ngororia na nikyo tumitureka atiriri tathirikari now we are digitizing already we have a digital ira tureta human resource information system lakini through this platform no turathondeka application turathondeka we are going to enrich it further kwa kisha tugakorwo tukimenya urwari ta umunthi no uriku automatically na tukamiona thiini wa dashboard
kugure murona ni andu makaritaya
kana ule waritaya andu maritaya every day. It's a continuous process so muthenya rwa aciarirwe no ingi aciarirwe
ona kwandikwo
bali na kwandikwa the thing is wa ciarirwe muthenya uriku na wagirwo kurita wakinya miaka 60 kumuna tuko tu ofisiri umwe twaciarirwe mwaka umwe lakini twaciarirwe mieri ngurani na tariki ngurani so ni ngirita mbere yaku na mieri iri na ukirita after 2 months koguo twenda kuthondeka in such a way that minister wa public service and a dashboard ya vinya kwa amena retiring today akiona ne andu ega nona na mara retire from this ministry and jeshi ega nona avoid ni ega nona administration ni shuga nona so that must be done tondo tutikora to na a system yengetura maundu macio on the spot
ira track maundu mothe
yes na mbali na go track from the payroll but also ira track in a holistic manner tugutwariri overall wa transfers overall nyamu yetu appraisals tondo atiriri this system anayo ni kwagana getho promotwe nwanginya koroshe ngania we akithia kenengra na mbeca ndicho kuri ruku ne getha tuike promoted. How do we kill that vice? We can only kill that vice to in a system which you can't be able to circumvent. Neither system ile korwe thini wa jeshi
ikorwo dekowe
enda kumenya atiriri wina qualification ile ndekana
okay
we na 100 courses ile ndekana taruni kwira wa senior management from Kenya School of Government about I don't know what no ikete kosio wakone volithi kwina exams yeka kwa thini wa police. Have you done those examination for you to be promoted ranks within the police service? You know, so system wa put that details ego raisi no ravesha ni instructions how the system ya transfers wa this station miaka thatu wekara miaka thatu be taken to another station. The disruption taru provincial administration, not national government administration, the ACCs and DCCs we koro ye mutumia no apostwa in a certain sub county as a DCC from January to June. Ule na shiana no ai transfer cukuru ciacio ciaoka ku within 6 months mweroma ku werothi kundu kwingi. You know, it's affecting even productivity, the family, marumo ingi mono sana. So all these transfers must be done in a systematic manner, in a humane manner, knowing that andwa mararutaira ni arumena family, ni arumena relatives, ni you know, ni mwananchi wa kawaida. Bali na ukoro ina that position inayo. Wanawe we are members of society na we Mukenya. So issues here transfers, issues here appraisal performance. Na 50 years and above. Utikete miaka 10 tu ulitae. Baunu agro kwa option ya koru atirire. Where do you want to go and work? Na ndo arenge maki miaka 50 something menda kudi kurutera America eteru. Ya mushi
kuinoka.
Anakwira gwatirire kembere. Mundu avinguragira ng'ombe ciake. Akiri kurithwa kukurasha. Cia kinya thaa 10 akirika kuvura ng'ombe icio getemo
na muchi.
Na muchi. Ruga na wenke mwana ndio na vinya. No kuthie kurutera kundu kurasha. Wakinya miaka
engeyo.
Ukirika kwerekera ndoi. Ya muchi. It is the nature has its own way of you know. So these are the issues and nego yesterday rais wa Kenya noraugire uga 50 years and above ni mavewe nafasi ya kuthie kuruta wira where they come from, you know.
Tatwira terere also CS Njenga ukoraga mwalimu a promote wale achenjagio cukuru yukane uyu mwalimu wakora ararege deputy arendwo atuike head or even principal wakora rigi mundu autwo Kirinyaga arehwo Murang'a autwo na rigi atigania miaka 3 guthie retire. CS aikorwo ndirari farishu kwa muhiano kana mangore and was performing na nekwage na vacancy ni divati go promote tujikare oshukuru yo kushukuru jowe ito da gitigaria miaka 3 kana goroga ukora ma principal Njenga mena 50 years and above.
Leuli no ma it is happening na nenagiririe kurumiria muno why is it happening like that ukethera we mwalimu ure deputy na watueka headmaster no principal, but within the school yora uri wa prometerwa kutina vacancy ya principal kana ya deputy.
Okay,
kula kuna vacancy you stay there. Kula gutari you have to be taken somewhere else. Now it become even more difficult when urenda promotion na no anengro promotion na kiru vacancy ya kule ungetueka headmaster kana ungetueka principal, you are from let's say Kiambu County, lakini kwa kuena vacancy now you are in your position Nyandarua you have to go. Then the other thing also ni atiri still no augire we Mukenya na no rutera kunuko kuonta korogara kuruta. So that's now another issue which is a bit difficult. The other thing also which is nendito ya alimuniriri especially ma secondary no era gutuka transferred wodo mthegi biology na physics. Okay, cukuru na gutwarwa gutina nafasi ya mwalimu wa biology na physics
ori una urginyo twaro kuria kuri
no nyo twaro kuri toteta mwalimu wa primary where you go and teach everything, you know, anything you can teach. In no ya secondary no ye effort to a tyrant oya thomithagia history and Kiswahili. So no nyo cukuru area in a vacancy ya history and Kiswahili. So that's a difficult thing which
you have to balance.
You have to balance. But TSC has been doing ikoretwo ikirutaira wira mwega so far.
Nukoraga riri Njenga ono horo cio autani tondu guciria nio makora maringi orakora makiri rugura TSC wakora ringi Njenga andu ni maandikwo no ni marahikaneti so muthuri county X na kamutumia county Y ni undu wa family units ni kuri njira hihi ikoragwo kuthini wa public service ka kuhetokera Teacher Service Commission oro wingi andu aya makirehwo hamwe niguo riri CS ona makige ciana mugakiona kura cia gukimboitige kura mama kumegoka
yule yes yone point mpaka na nimbishi TSC ne koretwe ikipambana muno ku ensure families are together. And of course, the shukuru is within the same
locality.
That mwalimu yono hadi shukuru 5 kilometers, we inge shukuru inge na ava maybe 2 kilometers. So TSC has been fighting very hard kuhakikisha that is happening. But those challenges are there. Tono kudio kethera kwena shukuru ena ali mwenge ukirora magerero ukoro mari na kwena shukuru yenge etena alimu na tona kurasha ukethera ru the issues of the family, the issues also share and ship allowance. Ali mwenge marenda kuruta wera in areas iria shire to ino chiko ina and ship allowance. So it's a very difficult balance. But so far, I can say they have done a good job.
Hena adwaya nigo hi joki kuri jega athuri na joy na maratu na mekore matura-ini metako athuri either ashifu kana andwa nyumba 10 anio president yarugire mahego ngiri ithatu nya president yarugire mahego
nyumba 10
village elders kana la twetaga tene natagwada village elders mahedmen some area
ne athuri a headman as assistant chief athuri yake
area wa village na muthuri umwe kana ule rungamirite umwe you know normally is a respected elder of that village neke chiwa gao neke na makoro ni marutagera mwega muno sana andu acio ni marutaga wira mwega na ni magukoro makinyitirwo ni thirikari na mbunge ya Kenya in the year 2023 ni twavitukirie motion then I was in bunge motion waretetwo ni Mwengi Mutuse mwakuga all the elders, village elders thini wa bururi wa Kenya masharirwe kuri Wakam, and what we recommended was 6,000 na raisi nura onania good step forward yesterday yakuga wa muthuri akorwa kenengerwa ngiri 3 so thirikari no ngiye fata gucaria mbeca kuri kuma cia kuraikire bathuri acio
marere hago na thimo
founding menya Ministry of Treasury ni kuthondeka
mutaratara
ni kuthondeka mutaratara to ne rivanaga
na makabiria kuri hore mwedi uyu
immediately raisi athana wona is immediately yes ni kama yenye thirikari kuna kindu kia bata ningena gweta gitagwa salary harmonization tondu nu kwithira ruti ya wira ma thirikari kwina mariva kwa mbeca nini to be told within one ministry, let's say Minister of Immigration na we muthomu wega degree na kwina mundu wengi uthome the same degree uraruta wira thini wa parastato ya thirikari same degree mwekera thirika manake lakini urarivwa mbeca ciganona uwingi akirivwa mbeca nyingi so ninambiririe tax force ya kuweka salary harmonization nigetha tumenya atiri twita thirikari kana twita bururi wa Kenya andu aria mararuta public servants kutigakorwo mena discrepancies nene ya marivi we ukirarivwa ngiri 50 o mundu ingi mwathoma nake same skills ararivwa ngiri 150 harmonization
kwenda kuga kana ministry ya agriculture kana ya interior grade pay grade
any
iganane
across the board turatiri kwena KPA ni parastato ni agriculture National Irrigation Authority ni parastato ya agriculture under the Ministry of Agriculture
kana siye
duno kwethera ino National Irrigation Authority no eba bakubinanyi andora mandiketwa na ala methirwa Minister of Water marale wa meshara ngorani why kwena itumi nyingi lakini wanaivo nyingi let's try and oria katiba yugaga let's katiba preaches equity from the first page to the last so it must be seen that there is equity. It may not be equal, but let equity be seen in terms of remuneration ule andu mari bagwa
urauga responsive, prompt, effectiveness, impartial, equitable and accountability.
Yes, yone nyamweta wa section 232 ile aragia orwa public principles of public service itawa principles and values of public service nwangi gikoro ikionekana thino wa rutu wa wira wa mwengi
na mtu akitonya thino wa public service. By the way, the at the lowest mudu afatara qualification yake mudu ni atonya thino wa public service kwa kone thirikari
no wande kone thirikari with all kind of qualifications to that thirikari ne de matereba
ne
matereba mandikete thirikari ne de karani
admin support
cleaners cleaners you know. So for you to be an admin support, you just need a high school qualification.
Okay.
And then other training you can know how the nasio pole. Yes. Kuna ile si andevio, you know. Lakini kuna shienge, you know, you need a PhD. Then what rikari. Ndong utangia ande kote na PhD.
Machuna maudu marize ino structure yanyu ate for this position no gino ko ina PhD.
Kindu gitagwa Public Service Commission. Ne thondekaga organizational structure.
Organogram.
Yes. Thondeka organizational structure. Public Service Commission. Neo thondeka kindu gitagwa job description. After the organizational structure. Tonto wa une general manager. Ru wira general manager ri. Job description igikira wali kwe unege thovote kuruta wira wa wira wa ni Public Service Commission mundu uyu arenda qualification ivanate
neici
nchino ru ukethira kwina qualification kwina mawira makauga PhD
niko tona maki advertise makero ukoro we these are the qualifications
yeni ezo ru ngembera atiriri urenda gutuika director general kindu gwetwa Economic Affairs, Minister of Treasury. When we Director General, when we munene wa maundu ma economy in bururi wa Kenya, ati varia vakana adekwa degree in economics. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. It can't be just a mere degree.
Igekora ira tathi nego menyaka.
Umenyaka haraka muno.
Nie ndenda tuikirie no tugikiria ni ndona masivo maigana ona haha mori tio kauga hainde rito please Jonelia CS 2 years was appointed as assistant chief but have been pending waiting for confirmation letter miaka iri jetereire and this is among others who are suffering no agriro ni kuhingia udoyo ni dono gin haha nake akaga good morning please gaithia mheshimiwa na utoririe promotion ya masivo nayo na trainings si hana atia because gosia kora korirwo kwa mo training ya masivo na amwe maraigwa tamaratigirwo nja maigwa matana thiuria kwagireire so training ya masivo na promotion ya masivo uri ikarite
really training ya masivo is continuous, is a continuous process. Ora kurathiire ni budget ira evo ni ya gutrain masivo meganona thirikari ni racaria budget yengi ni gerethi na pena gutrain masivo monthe vile kuna kindu twetaga operationalization ya sub counties ya locations na ya divisions ukethira kuna sub counties kana locations ya twikire gazetted the minister wa interior na sia tukaga gazetted na ukirwa shivu nengania lakini up to now kavira tega kinyuga ku make sure nyamoyone ne ambia kuruta wera location ya ambia kuruta wera sub county ya ambia kuruta wera
okay
kuna process ya operationalization ya sub county ya division ya mamashu tondo sub county gutire sub county itanendagirwa police station. I mean, also it comes with sub county police commander. Kogu tukunengerwa DCC peke yake. Ni mwanengerwa sub county. Deputy county commissioner agioka. Tao karweka na yao kana sub county police commander.
Yes.
Na yao kana sub county administration police commander. Tugu na vile vile tuashio peke yake. Ni mauka ngigena the OCSs. The change of police stations. Waretra DCC peke yake. Tuoka na DCC peke yake. Kunukoro kwena ACC. Are in charge of divisions. So is a whole logistic operation. Ya maurumega na madhirikali. Kogu DCC no akoro tayari. Chivo no akoro tayari. Lakini for hivi ndena infrastructure rere ndekana kuthie thini wa sub county. Kuno ngeyeterere ngeyena volidi gakona ndo ina infrastructure tondu DCC neke chairman wa security committee ndangithi kurutayera kuyarweka nambari na DCC NIS nwangi kore ekodo sub county. So it's an operationalization ya that a certain division or sub county or whatever is a whole logistic government logistic operation which must be done. Kuron made etera, it will be done.
Nigoka.
Maundu mathirikari mengine mari cha pole pole.
Tuga thirikari kahora muno. Yes. Thirikari iria kahora gukira kimba.
Badoro ichwa.
Nikinyaga.
Wanokana thakora rikavora.
Nero kinya. Tenda tuikirie.
Thirikari chenga iria etego kufia. Ya kahora.
He muthuri wa thirikari-ini tukiaragia nake akinjira ati agingira thirikari athiete na mentality ya corporate. Etia auga moka mwetekaniria ni asaina uhoro cio gathi uthiete akinjira thirikari tigataruka muiko ni meri nene ukienda kugata haria twari ukienda kugata niguo ukahari wajogia kugatira Westland kuko kwisia kaune okahora kauga kiri ni ngatho nyingi muno nyothe murathi na mbere na gututumira SMS cianyu ni nyingi 192 SMSs tukuhota o tuguthoma o iria tungihota tuikirie coke kaida tari konene.
Ulihisi aje wakati ulipigiwa simu ukaambiwa ati wewe sasa ndio unapewa ganji?
Nilisikia mzuri sana.
Ulikuwa unatarajia kupokea hiyo simu?
Hata sikuwa natarajia. Hii mchezo ni ya ukweli. Sio mchezo. Ni ya ukweli.
Si ndio?
Nimeona hivyo.
Asante sana. Asante kwa kujipanga na view sasa. And asante kukua kwa mmoja wa washindi wetu wa 1050.
FOMO? We say no more FOMO. Not when you have happy hour. Scroll, stream, post, and play endlessly. It's your time for unlimited fun. Because when you have the happy hour bundle, you can do kila kitu. This is huge. At only 19 bob for 1 hour or 45 bob for 3 hours. All you have to do is download and use my Airtel app or simply dial *544#. Always be in the know. Buy the happy hour bundle today. Now bado tuna grow. Airtel.
Hello? Abuhi wakwa. Ndagia kabomo gakwa.
Niki wahura na thimo ya Purab.
Niguka gukwira no mbere ndayari thogora British Fahari Homeschool ya Juja family. Ii no athira kuoya taito tondu ni kwendekanaga handu.
Eni na niguo yumire na ihenya tondu na twarekia kuri hari ndanini rio na wiki ciganona.
Sikaro dekorete gukora Fahari Homes mena Broti Juja farm ofania 499,000 goko farade jaga muthiire kuhutha kwina mai thitima na mashukuru hora thimo 0704 000 oka officine Eastern Bypass Igoro wa Naivas Yakamakis third floor T7
Fahari Homes Matereveli Metakanyo.
Tired of late rides and shady charges? Itisha Wigo. Now Wigo, you get more than just a ride. Unapata on-time pickups, gari safi na fresh every time. Ride V-Smart, ride V-Safe, now Wigo. Download the app now, ama SMS Wigo to 20425. Wigo, your trusted ride.
Ugienda kwigera rwimbo ruru ta rugambi rwa thimu yaku hinya *812 *789# no ririkane Inoro ni mucio wa aini othe.
Gatho nyingi muno ni guthina mbe na guikarania na ithuĩ njamba wĩra tukiingira haria hetagwo ha gũtiriha uyu akauga hello kimuri gĩkĩ ko gĩkĩanyu koguo ria CS ya haha tukugeria kuria ciũria o ciothe mũngĩkorwo mũkĩũria uyu akauga kindly ask CS Ruko why is the contract of just interns being renewed yet they were supposed to be confirmed. Interns kodu gutiganite ni uyu ginake akoria please joreria bwana CS niki matarandikithia andu akuru who have reached 70 years ni ciuria nyingi muno muthenya wa muthi tugithi gutiriha uyu concern ino yake ya interns auga no kurinio mararinio yet they are supposed to be confirmed.
So yes, it is true. Up to now, within confirmations here, interns into permanent and pensionable jobs, turagiria kuthondeka mutaratara ta thirikari wa kuhakikisha twina the necessary budget which is required ya kuhakikisha interns ni maandikwa. Nigetha interns maandikwa kwina kindu thirikari iragia comparance the wage bill. Wage bill calculated against the GDP of the country na kwina threshold itagwana kuvitukia. So nema thirikari ni agoro kurena aruti ya wira enge ukira me ina mukwa sasa. Lakini revenue yetu ta thirikari kira iria turagwata kumana na taxes iria turarivia tembeganu ya gutuma twandike aruti ya wira engi kuve na problem na hiyo tumiushaga rais wa Kenya akiuga tafadhali nitutekira kureva ushuru twatwareva tawa taxi tawa
magoti
twareva magoti metu nitukungania mbeca nyingi ngitutetheria not only kuthondeka project ile ndekana cia barabara na thima na maromo mengi but also kwandika ciana cietu tutena revenue mbiganu tutena magoti meganu thirikari tekanda kwandikana nikio tumirona interns wanaria nyitarune ni minister wa thirikari nena wendi mwingi muno akuga atiri arumeni ciana ino ni ciandikwe tondure mwana ararutira for 1 year na mbejira levo every month ni 25 na ni pesa nini muno sana 1 year yathira ukimwira enuka it's a very painful experience. Me as a minister of government of public service, ndire mpagiro kurongeko.
Ono to utwarite thina wa cabinet. Tokora tumaruga ate thirikari ni ya freeze ile kwandika andu. Nikio maybe maraika thina wa interns aya in ya out. Ndio freeze hiyo na kwandika nari ni eheririo thina wa thirikari.
Thirikari na freeze ya kwandika andu. Kwandika na kune rutha rwa kwandika rurenganagirwa ni treasury. Treasury must say twina mbeca tungikanda kuri bandu amurandika.
Okay.
No mukoro mwena taru ni na state department etagwa special program. I have 2 state department. Public service and human capital development na state department yengetagwa special program. Special program is a new state department. It is new. Nena okire ngithondeka organizational structure that state department. Na ngiuga ndora magiro koro makiruta era thini wa that department ni egana. Na ngitwara thini wa public service commission. Public service commission ikimbitikiriya eganona. Ni apetikiria meganona kitwara ru maro ya public service commission na organizational structure na qualification yendekana to treasury. Treasury kiroria. Treasury kiuga ndena mbeca.
So
your hands are tied.
So you are
what about teachers? Tukiroterere. Autania yari mena contract. Kwa ihinda riri no ne magiriire njega makiandikwo. Hau naho atia mundu.
Atiriri. Ali mwara matayandike qualified P1 teachers na graduate teachers thini wa bururu wa Kenya ni makinyuka level 3,300. Pale mayenja mategwa matari andike. Thirikari no ya William Ruto fund wa miaka 3 ni koro yandikite alimu 100,000. December no twinayo TSC ni kwandika alimu 24,000. Tuliandiku alimu 76,000. Nigetha makinyega na riri limu. Na ndira atiriri kwina alimu engenja trained mate yandike ni thirikari kindu 3,300 ndiuri uone kuganda no atwende kwandika alimu engetake alimu makwandika mekuo shukuri tana itena alimu thini wa Kenya ciekuo alimu tuyega thini wa primary thini wa secondary mbeca cia kwandika alimu amontheri cieko kuriko kiuria kia twago tukiuria na ruwe gwa thirikari ambunge na raisi makithaitha Kenya ni tuli vegoti nigetha twandike alimu nigetha tume barabara metu kana tarure raisi araukira gwa atiriri ni tuthondeke kindu gietagwa the sovereign fund ni tuthondeke kindu gietagwa infrastructure fund
no president akoretwa akirio
nigetha tuvote gukorwo twina savings ya tukiga tukorwo twina ishingi tukiga nigetha miaka 10 yathira twina muthithu tungithi tugoca kindu tukagwa ni twandike ciana tukai tugoca kindu tukagwa ni twake kina ndamu cietu tukagwa ni twaje kindu ni turike kuruta kindu gitwa thitima ikori ino 3000 megawatt tukinyie 6000 megawatt ta bururi wa Kenya indiole gwa raisi akiaria maundu mamwe mbato ucio araria from the background ya ukorwa Kenya ni bururi urenda kana maundu mengi muno sana lakini muthini lakini tue ngine ngiwa ni mundu wa kawaida no ngoro ngivitia lakini tue guku barabarari nice nduje kani ngoro tu mundu wa kawaida guku Nairobi no na Kenya netu tuko tukiuga atiriri thirikari na pesa nyingi muno ina pesa nyingi muno kwira tumwa nae yes no koro kwina now and then pesa ikakwa ikira tumro ura kwagiririte lakini my brother kura turenda kuthii na kira twagirwo ko twina kinege tukinya gutu thiete ne to tukuna muthenya
murage
tu ya very poor country
muragwe ta Singapore
yes.
ko dagutu do ya hare kuna interventions ya gutwara furio to Singapore
yes
becha iko kiuma kuna ndaigwa ugata utaina indo
atiriri intervention ikuo kare mono sana niko twagirwo ko twi tayari kumiria intervention icio ta Kenya NSSF kuma riu Kenya atuikire weyathi ni ya 2023 NSSF ya ikoletwe savete 320 billion for 63 years. Okay? Kuma 2023 to 2025 NSSF idhariri ina 720 billion. Within 2 years it has doubled the saving ya miaka 63. Nundu wa ku increase to 6%. Besh varavareno raisi araraunjire aba Lironi. Mausamit. Besha cia imwe cia kuthondeka varavara icio irutetwo from this 720 billion. Then from other investments cia China. So ugakorwo twina savings ikinyetie 2 trillion tungithondeka project cigana thina wa bururi wa Kenya. Ano tukikova mbeca no tuthiga gukova mbeca nthi cianja tukiveca wa condition nyingi taki tukirumagwa tukikwa mormonthe tukinosha mbeca tukitwara turesha tukiwa ciana ciano ciandekwe. That is the direction ila twagirotu ni 6% ino ri irereti ya Kenya bandu beganaga
AKU AKU to mbeca cio ciago to ciana iyo in the past
niguo mbeca ciana in the past. But thirikari no ya William Samoei Ruto ni ratumira mbeca muno sana nikio tumiorona already this 720 billion werwacio no rikete kuonekana kuna barabara cianirirwo early November. Early November? No. It's early November or late October. Across the Republic of Kenya. Barabara icio cia kuamete thirikari ya Kenya ni yarivire more than 50 billion to the contractors. Nigetha maume mathi to the project. Barabara ithari ni rika kwakwa.
Machoke site.
Ciacoka cianirwa cingi mbeca ino ri ciaumite ku ni ciathiriri turi a Kenya ri muthu ciragia thirikari ni kindu kia mwanya lakini thirikari ni taura tu umanenja muci waku wekorwa mbeca ri gwataga I don't know ukorwa tuge wena example nyina ngiri gana rimwe wa mweri icio nicio mbeca ri ngwataga na nina ciana na nina maundu makwa muciini ndivagatima ndivaga manje nwange yo vangire mbeca ino ciaku ngirigana riu uyivangire wega na mutaratara nigetha maundu maku maiganire bandu bari kwi riu twine turenda maundu mengi lakini mbeca iria twina cio twagia kuivangira na kundu ngithondeka ukiuga atiriri riu sakwere yakwa istendi ya kuruta ngiri igiri ni nguongerera tondu kwino nenda gwika kwambiria after 2 years ninguongerera ndutage ngiri 5 thini wa sako na ni ndutacio ngiri 5 vandu va mwaka umwe then ngove maita matatu utu tutirenda kuruta mbeca tukiga vandu twenda gutomera cionthe
twatigaria kindu
rutu abuga atiriri ta thirikari titugitikiria we kuria kuiga mbeca vandu nwangia twakiche no aiga mbeca ciaku cigana na vandu
na darita nengerwo
to taru no aririo voro andu amaritaite na mavura thimu ugethera mundu no arita at the age of 60 beshiria vesh anengerwa ni ngiri magana matatu ma 320 wanengerwa no kithio ke gora ngombe igire within 6 months utire kindu ruo kithando yengi marita mundu arekara 4-5 years muthuri egala
akire na murimo
yes
ya fatara tutawa
no watira blood pressure twe sukari ki ndo 320 itingiwe kalia muno sana no ngekondeke mutaratara wati mundu alita avenjo 60 no kuthia na ngiro milioni yake 5 10 ogitulia wega Kenya we are very lucky twina raisi well meaning to this country. Why do I say that? Raisi William Ruto ngai no ateithirie agitonya thiini utongoria when he was young. Emonini. Ngai agĩteithia rais William Ruto akakorwo nĩ mũthomu mwega, nĩ mũthiĩ cukuru akĩthoma sawa sawa, ena degree yake ya science, ena masters ya science na PhD ya science. Ngai agĩteithia akakorwo atĩrĩ mũndũ rais gũtirĩ ciaca atekĩte, nĩ ici bunge rutaga wĩra atĩa, nĩ anaga minister, anavutwa, anatwara magoti-inĩ, anaga deputy president. So it's a refined gold. There's nothing that he has not seen called about managing a country. We are lucky tafururi gukorwo twina rais William Ruto na maundu mamwe rĩu akiuga thirikari kana bũrũri wa Kenya wike another 10-15 years from now tugakorwo tukiuga ona tungia ici ko tungia vuragira rais makovi agitura tuke neke watutethia kuma kuna tuli tuko tuwa tuli
no kuhurira thimu gwa kwira ruku ndenda wekyo arikyo kwa point we wafishire president no kuhurira thimu kwire ruku ndenda wekyo
no ambure thimu nekyo negredera thirikari ne yake office yake ne vauta minister wake to champion the vision.
Ugwiciria oyorara kurigo tondu kaingi cia nginyanirio citwiraga ati he's a micromanager ati no kumuna turamuna guku ruku na bendera ati no murutu no mwene wira
ati ne kuhete wira no
baba that's not true. Kumaruna agire minister na meriana taratu na kendo ga mwaja rais William Ruto ndana mbodra de mukombera riu ruko ukira wekona kana vano re kana vano vatira ribega ni anini muvura irathimo
na ne akuwa
kumwa update ati munene ne reshiria bavekiona no totaliu na tonywa uo ministry na thire within a few days EACC yandika report yauga NYS ina andu mareka ungumania kwa NYS na makamono sana riu andu ameka wate na maraga ko maraya mbeca so nauga ningu vinyuria andu riu mbere ni mavinyuritie na vole rais na mwera munene ni rochire atua ya kuvinyuria andu aya tondu EACC ina report irauga andu amarekana na kuringana watho uria ugite EACC aruta report teno steps taino ni cia grono washo daisi ambiri why are you telling me you are the minister is you are supposed to do what is right because go kukro kwena rumors nyingi muno guko street ile guko Kilimani na whatever kwena anandu kwethra makevora kithuri ni dinge komwa ni anga baragia na ngania ni anga akuna nothing like that
hitu gutiriha jenga ikiukia mwisho ni ati twatigaria I think 20 months 21 months hari thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza hi ungiru urugamie udumwe uretera hihi thirikari ya Dr. William Samoei Ruto ihotete kuachieve hari miaka yote
undu mwavinya muno sana and tuka one thank you miaka tukete kudhibiti uchumi wa Kenya, the economic stability thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ivotete kuachieve within 3 years. Na economic stability ni kuroria atiriri the exchange rate cia dollar and other currencies cia vanata and how ivanata idhariri prices cia commodities cia vanata 2022 na ru ivanata interest rate cia banki 2022 cia vanata na ru ivanata foreign cash ratio yavanata na ru ivanata all those parameters have improved in a serious manner with more than 100%. Nairobi Stock exchange kaneta wa Nairobi Securities Exchange 2022 capitalization ya yori yakarite ate umuntri ikari ate can you take your money umuntu ukiwa nuragura shares ya company fulani no thondeke mbeca kana you are going to lose you know you know the change is like day and night. The macro stability, the macroeconomic stability of our economy are stabilized in a serious manner, such that sharing has been stable at 29, 28 for over 6 months now.
What 29?
You know? So the economy is stable. We are able to predict what's going to happen tomorrow.
Okay.
That is serious work. Area effort the kulto nedirikari ma ya William Samuel Ruto. Prices ya commodity ni yagire kugatire. Kawa geturi kauma gambe shigana 2022. Ubuntu ali makawali ne marauga ne yakenu. Manjani meturi 2022 mauma gatea. Umunde ali makawali mama njani yakenu. Iria yetu ya umagata 2022 umuntiri we mulimu iria Nyandarua urwendagia iria 2022 ngore ndio mu twali ukweli.
Okay.
Wewe mulimu akawa beira wendagia 2022 kawa kilo emwe nigure ndio munde tusamesane ukweli
sasa,
you know. So there is serious improvement.
Okay.
That's what we call economic stability. Mifuko yetu ni mega ana tukiuga gate uyu
toko wako na mwega na go tutaraja gatoko
eka
tukirekia
turaria atiriri mufuko ha the common mwananchi uri uri makawa uri majani uri mageria uri matumbe mangu ndio aliyovoro wa ruko wewe tai akiuma gavana Nairobi akejo hapana the common akoi mwana biashara kwa mwana biashara wathi Nairobi Stock Exchange wina ngirima mairi maku ukigura shares cia kira after meria tana tuli nuko na kindu ni yali from ndo amale boss.
Yes.
Inflation yetu 2022 ya 9.6 umonte 4.6 kwina mweri era na era 3.6
keturekeria hawe
na njui nituregweta hete
nituweta ringi
na bomu mumbere atiriri
ugakorwo ugautwira
ati mumbere atiriri mundu gwetwa Rigathi Gachagua mwauga nitukwari nake atige kuveni andu Mount Kenya na atige kuveni andu Mount Kenya ateke nekwe na kura cia andu Mount Kenya muvukore
turenda tumurehe hamwe kamwira o na kyaka agatucokeria na kyaka wo na ukamucokeria
nironira o kana mbara nyingi muno kuri mbere north ndeto cia guka kuite mihuni guns atinigetha mavore andu taruku ina kimwana kimwe gawa kia voriwe ikiuno eru
tondu jega twa muhevira ucio ne guthondeka
tumana
muthuriti Geoffrey Kiringa Roko no CS wa public service
human capital development and special programs
ndio tukimana kimudenya wa umuthi tuika tukakurehera ona nene thirikani gutukamuria ciuria akorintho wa mbere jeka 13 akorintho wa mbere 13 ni horo wa mate maundu maya matatu ni megutura witikio kirigiriro na wendani no uria munene makiria ni kiugo wendani.
Santi sana tutikuongerera kana turutarute tugukinyiria hau mutindie thayo muongerone magokumia nake Jehova Ngai amurathime.